boost your problem-solving skills, today we master the Genius Square. The genius of this game, every roll leads to a solution offering a whopping 62,208 puzzles to test your skills. Let's see how this works. With a Genius Square come 2 square grids, a set of 7 dice, 2 sets of 7 blockers, and 2 sets of 9 color shapes. The Genius Square can be enjoyed as a solo challenge or a battle against friends. But here's the twist. The Genius Square uses 7 dice with coordinates that match the grid, making every roll a unique challenge. Let's go rolling. 7 dice determine where to place the blockers on the grid. We have C2, F1, E3, F2, F6, F3, and F4. Here's where the race begins. You have 9 colorful shapes to strategically place on the grid, all while battling your opponent to complete the square first. The beauty: multiple solutions exist. Even if you win, your opponent may have solved it entirely differently, keeping the game fresh every time. The Genius Square offers quick, addictive rounds that leave you wanting more. Speaking of brain teaser, have you seen my video on how to play AccuPuzzler Pro? It will put your skills to the test.